we decided that number 8 would be good for me. You know, the guy who wore the jersey here is a legend here. You know, I played with him. He was my midfield partner here, Hlompho Kekana. I'm sure he would be happy to know that we decided that jersey number 8 is a jersey. You know, it's got it's a heavy jersey. The guy that achieved a lot with the club. And yeah, since I come back as a man, come back as a matured player, experienced player, I think I'll try my best to not to drop the level of the jersey, just to keep it as top as it is.
Dumedisha ka moka Masandawana this is Thabiso Kutumela ga thabela o mema go gaming ya rena le Sekhukhune United ka Saturday ko Peter Mokaba the new Peter Mokaba.